I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on VR. First, ensure your virtual reality headset is properly connected to your personal computer. You will need a compatible headset like an Oculus Quest 2 or a Valve Index. Next, download and install the Roblox application directly onto your desktop. This foundational setup is crucial for the seamless integration between your hardware and the game platform, preparing you for an immersive experience. Once your headset is connected and Roblox is installed, launch the Roblox application on your computer. Navigate to the game settings, usually found through an icon or menu within the client. Look for a specific option to enable virtual reality mode. Toggling this setting on tells Roblox to render the game environment for your headset, allowing you to step into the virtual world. With VR mode enabled, it's time to choose a game. Not all Roblox experiences are designed for virtual reality, so look for titles that explicitly support it. Once you find a suitable game, simply join it as you normally would. Roblox will then automatically launch the game within your VR headset, transporting you directly into the action for a truly immersive adventure. To ensure the best possible experience, take a moment to adjust your in-game settings for comfort, especially field of view and movement options. Make sure you have at least a 6 foot by 6 foot clear play space to move freely and safely. Remember to take regular breaks, perhaps every 20 to 30 minutes, to prevent motion sickness and enjoy your virtual reality journey responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.